Right! Swatch party ulit tayo. So, first is yung ating Mochi Blush. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Yan, no? Talagang lumulubog siya. Ito yung shade niya. Yan. So, it's pretty pink lang. And then, the lip products, the Rose Lip Cream. Yan. And then, the Jelly Highlighter. And then, the Sparkly Eye Topper. And then the matte eyeshadow. And then the fresh blush. And then the pink setting powder. Ayan. So, parang walang color yung setting powder kasi setting lang naman siya. Yep, and that is the Pretty Fresh palette from Jelly Eugenio VX Jelly 2 collection. Let's move on with the blushes. So we have 4 shades of blush duos here. We have the nude, the sexy, the bear, and doll. So ganito yung itsura niya. So the pinkish nude, ito yung shade niya. Yan. And the pearlescent peach, you can use this as setting powder of your blush. Next is the Bear Blush Duet. This is how it looks like. So rosy pink shade. And the pearlescent nude pink, yung kanyang pang-set ng blush is this one. Yan. Next, we have the Sexy Blush and Set Duet. So, ganito naman ang kanyang itsura. Yan. And we have here the upper rose shade is this one. And the Butter Yellow for setting is this one. So, parang siyang walang color, pero nakalagay dito that Butter Yellow Setting Powder and Copper Cream Blush, an unexpected duo made to turn heads, your front page flawless flush. So, it looks intimidating, pero yep, magagawan siya ng paraan. And last but not the least, the Doll Blush Duet. So, eto na ang ating red blush. So, meron tayong Cherry Red. So, the first cream blush, Cherry Red, is this one. Bang! It's red! And the saturated pink as the setting powder is this one. So, wala naman siya masyadong color. Grabe. It helps neutralize the red blush. Yan, dinagdag ko lang siya dito kasi gusto ko putok na putok talaga ang aking blush. Oh, diba? Look at that! So, gamit tayo nung brush. So, this is the JE10. So, tingnan natin. Tap-dam muna natin. But when you tap it off with the powder, diba? Natotone down niya yung pagka-red. Kaya nga siya tinawag na Pretty Fresh, diba? Ang ganda! Shot! So, those are our blush duets ng Vice Cosmetics and Jelly Eugenio Pretty Fresh collection. So, let's move on to the next product. We also have the Light Edit Powder Duet. So, the first one is the Silk. So, the white one. Ito yung matte version. So, ganito siya. Actually, wala siyang kulay. Kung ba isiniswatch? Diba? Kahit anong ganun mo, wala siyang kulay. And the soft yellow one, ito yung medyo may shimmer. So, ganito naman siya. Ayan. So, meron siyang konting shine na magpipick through, kaya you can use this over all your face. And last but not the least sa collection is the shade Edit Bronzer Duet. So, this is how it looks like. Tada! So, the first one is the neutral. So, this one. Ito yung shade niya. Yan. So, napaka-neutral lang niya. And the last one is the toasted. So, this one. Yan. Can you see that? Ang ganda, diba? Hindi siya super like, hindi siya masyadong mag-scalp kasi parang ibabalik lang niya yung shade mo sa mukha mo. Ganun. And also, part ng collection is the DX Jelly to Do It All Liquid Blushes. So, we have here the Always Pretty and Always Radiant. So, let's watch the Always Pretty. Oh, it's baby pink. Pero pag binlend mo naman yan, diba? Ganda din yan. And last, the Always Radiant. Ito naman siya. Yan. So, ito naman yung medyo toned down na pink. Pero, when you blend it, ang ganda din niya. So, mahilig din ako sa mga ganyang pink. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much, Vice Cosmetics and Jelly Eugenio for the masterclass tutorial earlier. So, madami rin ako natutunan. Papakita ko naman sa inyo next is yung collection naman ni Lurge. Thank you! Bye-bye!